Welcome to the Wrap-Up Weekly by The Nation Thailand. Thailand unemployment rate and household debts have skyrocketed due to the Covid-19 fallout, leaves 870,000 people jobless and 14.27 trillion baht in household debts in Thailand, and crime rate rising by 10% compared to Q3 of 2020. The Economic and Social Development Council or NESDC found that 870,000 people or 2.25% of the working age population were left jobless. Around 3% of the unemployed were those who had completed higher education, followed by vocational certificate holders at 3.16%. These graduates are likely to remain unemployed for a prolonged period due to limited economic expansion, as most of them hold degrees in general fields like business administration and marketing. Separately, nearly 900,000 people have temporarily and lost their source of income, up from 470,000 people in the same period last year. NESDC says Thai household debt in the second quarter of this year has risen to 14 trillion baht, or 89.3% of the GDP. This increase has placed Thailand in 12th place among 70 countries globally and 5th in Asia. The household debt is likely to rise further as the economy has not fully recovered yet, and the flood crisis is forcing families to take more loans to repair their homes. They also need money for consumption. The Economic and Social Development Council also found in Q3 of 2021 saw crime rates rising by 10.3% compared to Q3 of 2020. For drug cases up to 10.5% and robbery cases up to 17.3%. Thailand is tackling poverty by allowing people to register for the subsidies under the state welfare cards, expecting that another 15 million people will register for the state welfare cards from the current card holders of 13 million people. Finance Ministry admitted that the COVID-19 crisis has caused the number of low-income people to increase. The ministry added that once the new round of register is open, the total number of the state welfare card holders will be 28 million people. People who are eligible to receive state welfare cards must be Thai, with an annual income of 100,000 baht or less and own assets of not more than 100,000 baht. The Department of Mental Health reportedly said in September that Thailand's suicide death rate in the past 2 years has risen to 10 per 100,000 population due to the COVID-19 crisis. The rise in suicide death rate was similar to the Tom Yam Goong crisis. Despite the number of COVID-19 infections in Thailand is declining, the department expecting that the country's suicide death rate would increase in the next 2 to 3 years. Thai government vows to start hunting for the unjobbed people in Thailand and will try to minister up to 100 million doses of COVID-19 vaccine by December this year for boosting the economy after Thailand is still registering almost 10,000 COVID infections a day and some part of Thailand is still locked down.